What's up, everyone? We're back working on the Volvo, trying to get the fuel pump out without fully removing the rear suspension. So I'll show you where we're at. So I've undone the right side trailing arm, so that moves this front bracket down out of the way, and here is our fuel pump sending unit. So I have a couple fuel lines. We have the harness that goes back, and that's really what's hanging us up right now. I think we might have enough room to sneak the fuel pump out of the tank. It's kind of at a 45-degree angle here, so we're gonna put a drain bucket, catch all the fuel, but hopefully we can get that out. But I can't get the harness out. It's loose, it's unplugged, but the way it's routed is kind of problematic. So I have the harness loose, and I can pull it through with the exception of the connectors. So there is the 4 connectors here, and well, I can access these wires really easily. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them here, because then I can pull the harness without the connectors through, and then I can simply reconnect these wires after I'm done. So I'm just marking them because there's 2 white wires. I don't know what they are, don't really care. I just want to make sure that I can put them back the same. And then I'll reattach my lead wire here so I can pull it back up, so I can get it up from where the tank is. There we go. Should be able to pull that through, no problem now. So here is our fuel pump sending unit. Got the harness pulled back. Now I just have 2 lines that I need to undo. Fuel lines. Now they're a push connect, so I have to push the line down, pull a collar up, and then it should release. Now that might be easier said than done. We'll find out here. Alrighty, well, we got the sending unit loose. We have about as much access as we're gonna get. I have my drain bucket here underneath, and this is where we're gonna make probably a big mess. Woohoo! Anyone got a cigarette? Wonder what I'm gonna do when that drain bucket's full. Well, slowing down, that's good. Well, we got it out.